Previously on The Bartender.
Get me my money, and me doing him location. If you don't get my money, we will still get the location. So you go pick up him body.
Brother, I'll come the money and come for you.
Go.
We have to deal with this now.
You see, when you get papers to sign, if you read it over. So now, you are the CEO of your land scamming ring.
For your comeback, it's like you neglect everything.
Yo, Five, stop going like you don't have no sense, bad man.
So good they have studio night place and me don't know about that.
Yo, brother, you book studio time?
Boy, relax. So like a race, you want to raise your voice.
Say, a female. I keep some contraband in her yard.
Bro, I swear, they never do nothing.
Denise, you can't see and saw like you is 10 and saw. You have to make up your mind.
We have changed the location, you know. You see which part we did plan for drop the thing. We have moved it from there, so.
Your best friend is into land scamming, and your nephew is into drug trafficking. You have your hands full, agent.
Say, tomorrow, 12 o'clock, on a day ago, drop off some contraband. Then they're going to lay away to you and ambush you. And that would be a bloodbath.
Hear what? I want a divorce.
You want a divorce. If I want a divorce.
Brownie, you sure him this?
I want you last him.
Big mistake.
Five. You run some serious joke from the other day, you know.
Who did you tell us I joke me around?
Yo.
Maybe the universe is telling us something. You're having problems with Five and I'm going to get a divorce from my husband.
Did he tell you? You know somebody can play with.
Mr. Landlord.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am. coming. Sis, don't worry yourself, man. We're good. It's coming, Sis, we're good. Yeah. No, yeah, come. Alright, man, tell good to say, man. Stop it, man. Alright.
Artist, me want you double up them part for me, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Yo, DB, you good? How I going? Yeah, man, I'm good, man. I just threw me there in the studio for you all night last night. You see me? I just some rest me need. You see it, boss?
You understand? Because you know, we can circle and do this one next time, you know. You see me?
Yeah, man, I appreciate that, my boss.
Alright, you know, that's a 40, because you don't know 39 still good, though.
Cool, no, man. Can I
know? Man, that's your word, man. Don't worry yourself, man. We finish the bud song to come on.
Say a word, man, my artist, man. Cool, no, man.
Get some rest, man.
Yeah, man, my boss.
It's good, eh? You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good. You just frightened me a while ago. But never know nobody in the studio, that's why.
Yeah, man, with that match up a bud song, me and DB in the studio, man. You see it, but...
Oh.
It's not the thing, though. But, oh, right, you know, some here a bad song for your shell on the radio station, them, though.
Yeah, man, it's going with itself.
Yeah, man, you look like the artist thing are going real good for you, man. Trust me, it's going good. Just keep it up, you hear that? Make sure you go and do it, see?
Yeah, man.
Alright, look come on.
Alright.
Sexy lady. Alright? Alright, take care.
An agent as good and dedicated as you are doesn't just suddenly wake up and decide to resign.
It just feels like it's time to quit, sir.
At the high point of your career?
Best time to leave. Sir, this is not a dance, music, or acting career. This is our lives on the line every day.
Oh, so that's it? You're as afraid of dying? Is that it? We live to die every day, Agent. You know that.
Sir, I'm not afraid of dying, you know. I'm afraid of not truly living. It's been 15 years.
15 decorated years.
And all of it is living a lie for the sake of my job. I have no friends. Well, until now. I need more. I need a man, I need kids, a family, you know, the whole works.
Well, can't argue with that logic. I wish you all the best, Agent Bassett. I'm gonna miss you.
I know you are. But thank you. Oh.
What's this?
This is proof that Carlton Wallace was behind the land scamming ring, and that he set up his ex-wife to take the fall.
So, you've cleared your best friend's name, asked for that special favor for your nephew. They should be lucky to have you in their corner.
Okay, even up put on weight. What's it big like?
Pass the painkiller for me, please.
You still don't feel pain?
Yeah. I'll bring you some water too.
Yeah.
And you not tell me why you're so comfortable for stay here after me done show you what I want.
Seems like two of you have something to say to each other.
It seems so. Shania, listen. It's two of we are sister, we don't need for have no secret between we. So here one, me I go first. Me I go explain what I want, but me expect you to do the same.
Alright. I'm gonna tell you everything.
Me still feel strange, and I'm 1 week now.
Boy 5, me feel the same way too. Sometimes I feel like
what?
Like me I see him.
I think I'm me alone. You sure everything good and it not gonna link back to we?
No sir, nothing like that. Bubbles deal with everything. How are you for it?
No, yeah.
So the man there, he must have plague in our life, yeah, man. It's either him or one away. I'm glad to say him.
True.
So what's going with you on Shopee?
Nothing. Same thing.
No call, no text.
Nothing at all. Maybe him come back to him baby mother.
What? After Shopee you're mad. We go back, we go do with them, that the mad man there?
Listen, old fire stick, easy to catch.
Someone, bear a minute there.
So, mommy,
I soon go.
It's DB and I'm ready to rock. It's DB, you know I'm knocking the block. It's DB, the girls are falling my trap. It's DB, yeah, I'm ready to pop. Girl, what's my name?
Awa, I just a song, I probably just sang him a calm about.
Song? Remember your superhero now, yeah? See your style? Original?
DB hairstyle. Oh, it is. I don't know nothing like that. I got your rim for say. I'm so cool.
Anyways, me go on the road.
Alright, later.
But I think me I come back later though.
Excuse me? Chula?
Yes, my love.
So, Uno, there now?
Something like that. But you know me already, I'm not gonna sit down and wait for nobody. So, might as well.
I'm gonna run you. One left for Apple and get on.
Alright.
Yeah.
The broke boy can't come in my house. When you're goody, I'm a good man now. Behind them, true, man, I join them. Na 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 na. My life.
Love, you shoot big video and call me.
Listen to me. Little most that not happen here, and that may make you know. Because of the morning after that incident there. So.
Tell me something, alright?
Yeah, man, I'm a good man. Life goes on though.
Alright, watch out. On a serious note, I send out the truck and a company overseas link me. Say them want to do some work with you. They say them love your sound and them love your look. And you have everything with them I go for. Oh, that's all.
Why you do all of them something here?
Someone, you know, someone believe in your work, man. I want to see you. So, you have the green light?
Whether or not me get a green light, me know you go and go do it same way.
Sure. Let me am good here now for ask.
Stop up me.
I said, not in my league, we decline them. Them forget too many, so me remind them. But I'm act like a son of the sky. Let me not think 20, I'm a
It's been too long and I'm lost without you. What am I gonna do? Said I've been needing you, wanting you, wondering if you're the same and who's been with you. Is it your heart still mine? I wanna cry sometimes. I miss you.
Yeah. So you tell me almost a week? How long exactly? So that means that today I have a make. No call, no nothing. So you try calling? Alright, you know, I don't even want. Yo, calm down, man. Yo. Alright. Yeah, man.
This looks nice. This smells just like you, Winston. I like this one. Okay, we're not gonna do that, okay?
Sandra, so You know, I go file a missing person report.
How am I supposed to do that, Winston? I've never been in this kind of situation before. I don't even know where the police station is. Where is it?
You just file a report. It's that simple.
But I don't know where the police station is. And what if he ran off with some other woman? Or his ghetto ex-wife? I am not doing that. I am not gonna look ridiculous, okay?
Sandra, you remember say I crossed the road good live, right?
Why would I remember that? I'm not thinking about her.
Well, over there she live. And when me last check, she still live over there. So, if him run off with another woman, I can't go there.
Okay. What is this? Another pair of glasses?
So Sandra, what exactly is your next move?
Winston, come on, man. I cannot stay in the house by myself at night. Alright? I'm lonely.
So, I just loneliness. You are think about your husband missing. I run off with another woman. And you not seem not in the least little bit worried about that.
I told you we were getting a divorce. So what if he runs off with somebody else?
Sandra, can't stay as a still, you know. Cause if your husband's still out there somewhere, that means you're still legally married. And between me and you, I don't have nothing to do with that brother there, you know.
Anyway, what happened between you and Carlton anyway?
Well, Sandra, I don't have time for that right now, you know.
Why? Is Six coming back soon? Huh? Tell me, when is that girl ever gonna reach town?
Hey, you mess up, Sandra. Bother the foolishness, you know.
Look, I am not going back to that house tonight, alright? So I want to see if you're going to throw the mother of your child out on the street.
Mountain Matic White Overproof Rum. Seriously smooth. Mountain Matic Rum Punch. Get back your punch. There is no other rum punch that can equal the pleasure. Mountain Matic Gold Rum is quality and intriguing with a distinctive flavor. Your taste buds will love the kick. Get ready to fuel your force. Satisfaction is automatic with Matic. Hit up Matic Rums on social media pages or call 876-533-4826 or 799-4895 for your Matic deals. Roll with your Matic. Roll responsibly.
Dancehall Hostel, located in Kingston. The Dancehall District, Jacksontown Community, winner of the 2018, 2019, and 2020 Bookings.com Guest Review Award. The place to stay when you're in Kingston. The home away from home. The diamond in the rough. Book your spot now.
You ready?
I was born ready.
Can I get some music, please?
It's mostly rhythms up on my phone, you know. From the beginning of the songs then, you understand?
Don't worry, that will work, that will work. Just play it. Play anything.
Alright, cool.
You like?
Yeah, man, yeah. Yo, this look nice, Lee.
Say that again.
Say what again?
This look nice, Lee.
You're gonna easy, you know.
just it sounds sexy.
Well, you are sexy.
And let me sort me out. My head done big already here. Not sell it no more. Anyways, these are the rest of things.
You know, so different is still really proud of you, know. Imagine you have your own clothing line right now, you know. Mad thing, you know.
Well, I want to thank you for encouraging me and investing in the startup.
Let me tell you something, a simple thing that you see you and how your mindset stay, you deserve to have your own business venture. Trust me.
Thank you.
Yeah, where's the bathroom?
We're right down to the left.
Alright, thanks. Soon come.
What you want that?
Goody?
Bubbles?
Yeah.
Oh, you! You change your body splash.
Girl, you can't make everybody study your body smell.
I mean, actually, I went pan. What's she name? I like her. What's she name again?
Christmas cocoa mint.
No, sir. I got too much mixed up.
Oh, you have company.
Bubbles, this is
Trilla, I know. I've heard so much about you.
All good things, I hope.
So far. So, haven't you noticed anything different? Oh, yeah. Excuse me. Watch clothing line. Watch look nice. I have some more for showing.
And I think this is this time where I bid you ladies goodbye. You know, it seems like you guys have a lot to talk about, so I'll just take my leave.
Okay.
Alright? It was nice meeting you, Bubbles.
Nice meeting you too, Trilla.
Later. Alright.
So, this is serious now.
Get in there.
Get in there or get in there.
Nothing like that.
Please be careful and make sure so you're not rush it.
Bubbles, don't worry yourself. When I rush it, we're taking it very slow. Good girl. Anyways, look on the mirror and tell me if I like any one of them.
She nice.
When did I say it for me next year?
You still love shopping, not you?
Yeah. I just left my phone still. Denise, we talk later.
Yeah, man. The shot go through clean, brother. And the liquor me lick me that the dangerous part. I don't want to talk about that. No. Nothing to go on. I'm just there going easy. One thing. I don't want to think about that right now, brother. Right now, I'm still in a pain. Yeah, man. I would appreciate that, brother. Alright. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Alright.
Yo, alright, man, go and see you. Yo, come go on, man. I have something to say to you now. I just wait till later. I'm going to road. Me, I tell you, man, a serious situation, brother. Forward no dada.
Yo, make sure every time.
Brother, forward no dada, man.
Yeah, my general, what go on?
Yeah, man. We match up that already, man. Song done and mix and master and everything, man. Yeah. So tell me something. What you plan for put out for the prize? 20 pack? I mean, man. Yeah, man, that can work, man. The dancer, them I love that, man. Alright, here we go on. Yeah. I'm gonna make a one link from my block, you see it? Yeah, my G, them can get some dancer for match up something for me, man. Oh, your head, man. Yeah, man, we have fixed everything, man, for you, man, boss. Don't know the original my name, and I done conquer whole street, you know, whole globe, you know. Alright, no, man. I say a word, man, classic, man. I want to hear, man. Yeah, man. Just like a dance. Say, you see, like a song set, you see it? Move where I move, man, more general, man. Mad thing, man. You hear that? Out. Ah, chop.
Wow, yo DB, yo, you got me. Chow, y'all need the bag, you need to get it to me. Now, for Poochie, Hustle and Flash, it's DB here on them out to get the cash and get the stash. I'm running to your place, yes, your place gets crash. And get the stash.
Then you know, here when I try to say to your brother. The man them say them gear the product and them now look back for that. And money them a deal with, brother.
Yo, big man thing in a start. Look here, oh, you try to walk away from trouble, you know. It's fine, some way for follow, but yo.
Dada, if them boy they plan for ramp with the thing, brother, we just send quick foot, go deal with it, quick, less than 3.
And that they might expect. You get to me, I say, we have to be wiser than that, my fam. Because here what to, you say them get some new machine over there, them put, you know, and them a look a reason to start a war.
That's true, you know, Dada. Come the era argument with the about. Need a priest a lip instinct because them want to scare man, dog.
Brother, what kind of lip instinct you talk about? Me here from good source fam. And guess what I go on to know? You see the plane crash? Them have links to that too. And here go on why them vex right now. Because them never eat a big piece of food after that. But that get crashed.
Oh, the plane will crash where they?
Don't have Clarendon
fam.
fam.
When we hear Ben talk about?
Yes.
Also them want about this to fix up what them last.
Yes, so them a try to do anything to draw the dandada tonight. Them level of desperation, they will make them want to run in, you know.
So Dada, how we are going to deal with this?
I have to go over them.
So when we are alone?
No, me alone I go over them.
Dada, it sounds like you say, you're alone I go over there.
That's what I said.
Sure, this Dada.
What's your style? You say if me alone go over there, now I go pray. But say if uno forward with me, they might try start something. And that me I try avoid.
Smart boy from long time, you know, but Dada, not even quick foot I go like this. 100% sure of that, Dada.
Pink boss, you rate me?
I know me ask that, Dada.
Then watch that style. Them boy they are not idiot. They say if them diss me, them for know say a judgment from now till tomorrow. So them can't violate me. That's why me alone I go over there. You get to me I say?
See what you are saying, no, Dada.
See them where you suck.
Dada, we ready anytime, you know. As you go over there, we are load up and ready for the blast.
Smarter than them.
One phone call.
Can't make them smarter than we have a drink.
You know the code.
It's life.
Dada, big boss.
Oh, that baby. Who let the dogs out?
That's my original, you know. What I did it?
Big man thing. For the last time I see a run from boy, I just a forward. I was going.
Watch out now, me run to riches, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Richer now. So I go on.
Look at thing go on. Look at thing go on.
Pocket them kind of.
Alright, watch where I go on. Like how the whole of we are star, we can move to the bar.
I buy drinks?
Season, man.
Royalties.
artist when I work with, you see me? Dog named Rudy Classic. A bad new song, you see? But it's a dancing vibe. And dog say my leg got 20 pack, you see me?
20 back.
Yeah man. We dance
So
at
good
them.
up.
Man. And some dancers the dog I look for just match it out.
Alright,
you
here
see?
we go. I'm show you how to vibe now, Dean.
Yeah.
That 20 pack then. And then that attention and control that.
No man, no
I want to talk about, listen to this. I
Dance,
bet you never know say man used to mash up the streets before I just through certain circumstances, DB. I want to
Brother, before me name the Dan Dada, me name Dancer Bling. I him name Kojo at foot.
You don't look like dancer bling or culture you.
Oh yeah,
Where's song go
let me hear the song.
Drop the song.
Hey, name Rudy Classic. Yeah. Play the song with me.
Play the song, I'll show you something. You know
I'm
nothing
not
about
known as a dancer, you know.
We bad in everywhere.
I'm so happy.
Alright, let's show you something.
Yes.
Let's show you how bad we is.
Yeah.
Watch your dance, I name rolling.
You see that? You see that? You see that?
Come on, baby. Update one thing, hold on now. We'll find some dancer for you. You know we can't take on that.
Yeah, we can't.
Our mission big on that.
What them weird up?
You never know.
You never know that.
Yo, Jagos, yo, me the writer song, you say, yo, me coulda catch on to how them move there, you know?
Maybe a true man if we put on that and pick up this.
Yeah. Me know everyone
know the shirts, cause I don't know the thing about where I get the youths in man, cause it's the youths and boy where you come to link, and we give them the dance move them.
Alright.
So we are link the youths and fame and just line up that 20 pack there and put a little thing for the dandana them.
And I'm plastic and plastic, you know the
thing.
Del
Classic?
Yeah. Plastic and plastic.
Plastic and?
Plastic.
Before the thing get drastic. All.
Today, Miss Grant? Dr. Grant. It is Dr. Grant. Sorry, Dr. Grant. Have you been seeking employment since the last time we spoke? No, I haven't. Because I'm still being treated as if I'm a murderer. Yeah. Then how are you coping? How would you cope in a time like this without a job? You know what? I am fine. I am doing... Are you sure? Yes, I am. Not feeling angry or having any hatred inside for anyone? No. They made their decision. I mean, it's their loss, not mine. I was a good doctor. No. You know what? As a matter of fact, I was a great doctor. I am sure you are. And I'm sure you'll get back to your work pretty soon. So, why are they still treating me like I'm an outcast? I mean, they charged me for malpractice. And even though I won my case, and I defended myself, now nobody wants to hire me. Nobody wants to hire me! Miss Grant, be calm. Just try to be calm. It's Dr. Grant. How many times do I have to tell you that? Dr. Grant, I know that you are smoking. This is a no smoking zone. Please, no smoking in the office. Thank you, Miss Grant.
is Dr. Grant. D-O-C-T-O-R. Dr. Grant! How many times do I have to take?
Calm down, Dr. Grant.
It was a long day. Everything was just okay. Everything was just so chaotic. I was trying.
Calm down, Dr. Grant. Do you understand that the reason for these sessions is to help you with your anger issues?
Yes, I do.
It was your conduct at the hearing that has caused them to make this decision for you to be here. Do you miss your practice, Miss Grant?
What kind of dumb question is that? Isn't it obvious? I love medicine. That is all I've ever wanted to do. That's my passion. That's my...
Dr. Grant, just take it easy. Dr. Grant, no smoking. I spoke to you before.
Okay, fine.
And Dr. Grant, I want you to remember, at our first session, I did mention to you that anger is our worst enemy. And that you should really try to respond to questions without getting angry.
Yes, I remember.
And in order for you to get back to practicing, Dr. Grant, you need to understand that I'll have to write a report. And this report must say you have your anger under control. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Good. And now, have you been working on the exercises that I gave you to control your anger?
Yes, I have. I've been working on someone.
Working on someone?
Well, he's a little broken in spirit. But I believe that we can fix each other.
Now, that's a great thing to do. Man, that will build your spirit. And guess what? It will help our sessions to move much faster.
Mm-hmm.